start. Hello, good morning. My name is Sunil. I'm from Bangalore and I'm a mechatronics engineer. So I'm a part of this company, Cingularity Aerospace. So I'm a design engineer and team leader in this company. So we have this drone over here. So this drone is a tandem wing configuration with a 6-meter wingspan, and it can carry a payload, and it's a mission target aircraft. So it can lift up to 20,000 feet, and endurance is 20 hours of endurance. So it's a petrol engine. So you fix a target, it flies on the terrain. You fix a target, it goes and then drops the payload and come back to the base. So since we have this 20 hours of endurance, so you'll have a lot of time, and then you can set the target where you want to drop it. So it goes to that, and then you drop the payload and you come back. So all this, you can see the landing gear. Those are the retractable landing gears, and then we have small 2 swarm drones below. So those are you target, fix a target, and it just goes and crash it. And we have partnered with the ISRO as well, and then we're going to get cameras, satellite cameras from them. So we'll be mounting on the drone. So when the ISRO, we get a support from them, we're going to remove all the payload and put everything inside the fuse, since the ISRO doesn't want everything to be outside placed. So we have the retractable landing gears, and the whole aircraft weighs about less than 100 kilo.